Hi and hello, welcome to the Why I Moved to Florida channel. I wanted to switch things up with this video and give you a little tour of downtown Sanford here in Florida. Let's go check it out. Right now we're on First Street. There's tons of restaurants, tons of shops. This is kind of the heart of Sanford. Let's go check out some of the most local spots. Coming up to the left here is a famous German restaurant called Hollerbox. It's always busy. The lifestyle, the German culture is definitely highlighted here. If you were to come here on the weekend, you would see it very busy. Yeah, Hollerbox, they have the schnitzels, their beer is really good. They make it very fun inside. They have things that go on when you're drinking your beer. Every couple minutes, they'll host something very fun and interactive. Yeah, I love Sanford. It's definitely very homey. If you're looking to relocate from another state to Florida, this is a great city to consider. Next stop is the Henry's Depot Food Hall. This is also on First Street in the heart of downtown Sanford. I wanted to feature this place because it's honestly a place I go to a lot. They have a lot of different foods that you can eat here. Also, there's a bar. Let's go check it out. To the right here is a pizza place. There's a nice sandwich place to the left. My favorite place to the right here, the Current, has seafood. It's really good. So if you're looking to move to Sanford, this is definitely the spot. Ice cream place to the left, barbecue place to the right. Plenty of options here. Coffee place to the left again. Coming up to the right is a ramen spot. So if you're looking to move to Sanford, I mean, it's just plenty of food options that you can have here. And it all leads to the basin. There's a bar at the end, and it's a really good spot. They have really good happy hour as well. So if you're looking to move to Sanford, this would be a pretty good spot. And it leads out to the patio. Nice patio area. Yeah, this is pretty good. Next, we'll take you to the waterfront area, which is probably, you can just walk to it from here, but I'm gonna hop in the car and head over. Next is the Sanford Boardwalk. Now, this is a long stretch of paved road that goes along Lake Monroe, and it's newly built. This was built maybe like 3 years ago. This is a great place to come on the weekends or in the afternoons to catch the sunset, to get your exercise in. There's a lot of bikers that come around here, like, not motorcycles, but actual riding the bike. Cyclists is probably a better word. Or for a late night run, this is perfect. Let's go check it out. They have a marina. They also have a nice restaurant right on the water as well. Sanford is one of the oldest cities in Florida. 1877 is when it was founded. And this is a great place to relax. When I come here for the sunsets, it is magical. Now, let's go check out a next spot called Cabana Live. Now, this is a Vegas style place. It has a pool and it's right on the marina. You can get your drinks, you can catch the football games. Let's go check that out next. All right, next spot is Cabana Live. This is only minutes away from downtown Sanford. Probably one of my favorite places to come to. There's a nice pool. It's right off the marina, and it's a great place to bring your friends. I've seen a lot of families here bringing their kids. On the weekend, it is fun. There's a live DJ. There's the games playing on the screens. Let's go check it out. Let me know if you like the style of video. That way, you let me know if it's good. I'll do it again. That way, I can kind of showcase some of the cities that I'm also showing these homes in. But we did enough sightseeing. If you'd like to see more, leave a comment though, because Sanford has a lot of cool places to go. But let's go check out that home that you meant to check out. Hi and hello, and welcome to the Why I Moved to Florida channel. My name is Christopher Beverly. I'm a realtor here in Florida, and we're checking out this amazing property. And what's amazing about it, you may ask? 3.99 interest rate. That's going to make your mortgage super affordable. As you know, the interest rates are kind of high right now in this mid 6%, but not for this brand new home. It's 3.99 interest rate. They have 4.2s available and also 3.2s available. Price is starting at $380,000. And with working with me, I'll make sure that you get all the incentives. They have max incentives right now, $10,000. That'll pretty much cover a great portion of your closing costs. So feel free to hit me up, contact me. My contact information is in the description below. But I've talked enough. Let's go check out this property. Now, also this home you can get with no money down. So we're talking about little out-of-pocket costs. So if you're looking to buy a home in Florida, we're in Sanford, Florida right now, about 30 minutes north of Orlando. And Sanford's an amazing place, as you've seen earlier in this video. Tons of attractions. This particular home that we're at is only 5 minutes away from the attractions. Let's check out the main living area. Now, very spacious, right? Tons of room. You have an open concept. You have your kitchen here. All the appliances are included. General Electric appliances. Nice refrigerator. I'm thinking if you have maybe just $5,000 in your account, this probably can be your home. With the incentives that are available, it'll cover a great portion of the closing costs, but there is some cost that still is going to be there as far as the inspection, which I'll help with the inspection. Even though it's a new build, there's still errors and things to be found. Let's check out the pantry. Plenty of space for your snacks. I'm not sure if you have a growing family, but this is a pretty decent sized pantry. You know, you can have your bigger items down here, also down on the floor. Granite countertops too. They did not cheap out with this build. This is granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. So I'm thinking this can be either the dining area. You can have a long rectangle dining room area right here. This will be your formal living area. Enough space on the wall here. You have your cable hookup, so you can mount your TV stand, and much room that you can do for an L-shaped couch right here. That way you have plenty of room. Let's check out the backyard. The water moves away from your home into the retention pond. One thing that's amazing about this home, there's no CDD, and CDD is the Community Development District that most new constructions have. It can be anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000 a year added onto your mortgage each month. This home does not have it. The HOA is also low too, only $75 a month. Let's go check out the primary suite now. Very spacious primary suite. You have your cable hookup on this wall. So I'm thinking probably a queen size bed, enough room for nightstand here with an outlet, nightstand right here with an outlet. Very spacious closet, his and hers, but let's be honest, it's the wife's closet, right? Yep, plenty of space. Yeah. Now there's carpets in the bedroom as well, but the towel is in the kitchen and the bathrooms. The bathroom does have a vinyl laminate, which is fine, Plenty of space to store your belongings, also some storage here. Nice built-in shower space. Now, I'm sure you're probably wondering why should you work with me. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been a real estate agent here in Florida for about 6 years, and I specialize in new constructions. I've sold dozens of them. So I know about some of the pitfalls that we can see, especially in the inspection period, that when you're working with an agent versus you just going in as a buyer, you have an added layer of protection with no additional cost to you. I'll be there for the inspections, the final walkthroughs. I'll work with the construction manager to ensure that the home that you're getting is up to your standards. Let's go check out the rest of the home. Now we have the garage space. You have your water heater over there, your attic entry right here, your electrical panels. Oops. Now we do have a kind of a Jack and Jill bedroom. This could be perfect for siblings or if you guys have two younger kids. They're both equal sized bedrooms too, so there'll be no arguing over which room is whose. It's a nice closet, nice standard closet area. In between, they do have the bathrooms that they can each share, or this can be the guest or the powder room. Luxury laminate shower, pretty standard. Let's check out this one. This can either be a good office as it gets a lot of natural light. So if you work from home, this could be a good option for you. What I do like about this home is the washer and dryer is actually over here. I like that separated away from the bedrooms. That way, whoever's doing laundry won't wake up anybody. And it's out the way. Plenty of storage. You can end it. Thank you for sticking around for this long video. I tried to do something a little bit different this video to make it interesting for my viewers and watchers. If you did like this video, please leave a comment as your feedback is very important to me. And also don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.